start, I have put my moisturizer on, then I'll be putting my primer. The Baby Skin Pore Eraser. Bye bye pores.
Well, not entirely all over my face, but just here wherein I know my pores are visible and I want to cover it.
Then, for our foundation, we're going to use the Fit Me foundation. This is my holy grail, probably because we're mixing the Shower Pro Conceal primer, Pro Conceal concealer, and the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This one is in shade 25 and this one in shade 2. Is well blended. We are going to contour. To set our concealer, wait, before, okay, fine. Our concealer, we're taking the Nichido Final Powder and Creamy Glow. For setting our contour, we're taking the B-Girl Ivy Nude New Fashion 3D highlighter, and we're taking the darkest shade. Contour, we're taking the Zoeva 112 brush and using the angled area to brush. We'll be moving on to brows. For our crease, we're using a fluffy brush. We're taking this color right here from the Yves Rocher, is that yun? It's the 60 shade makeup palette. Taking this shade right here and applying it right onto our crease. A fat flat brush, we're applying it onto our eyelids. we're taking this shade right here using a, I don't know what you call this. I think it's a pointy brush. Applying it out of our crease. We're using a clean, fluffy brush to blend both of the eyeshadow. Using the Showell Pro Concealer to make a cut thingy. Cut thingy. Getting the lightest shade from the Contour by 4 7 Cool Professional Makeup Highlighter Palette. Guys, if you could see it. But I wish you do. Small fluffy brush, taking a dark shade of brown, this one with the gray, I think it has a gray undertone, right beside concealer we have created. Applying it there, taking the same fluffy brush, we'll blend it in. Taking a flush on, we'll just be applying that on our lower lashes. I'll just finish. I just finished this eye, my right eye first before doing my left eye. So I'm gonna show you guys what it would look like. The pointy brush, the one that we used for the burgundy shade. We're taking the same burgundy shade, applying it above the transition shade with the same small fluffy brush, taking darkest shade, the one that we used here, applying it right below our crease. Our crease, what? Our waterline, like on our bottom lashes. Okay, I'll be doing this one. Come back to you later. Okay, so hey guys, I'm done doing my other eyes and I forgot to film on how I did my eyeliner, but this is what I did. Yeah, we will be tight lining. I'm using the Nichido eye contour pencil, but I use it as an eyeliner. I don't know how this. Maybelline Last Sensational Waterproof Mascara. on to our blush. We're taking the peach tone one. This one. It's really subtle. We'll be taking a little lang. Of the same palette.